This video will show you how to utilize the resources, tools, and features on Lexis AI to efficiently get the insights and information you need for labor and employment practice. In this video, learn how you can use practical guidance and Protege to complete transactional and litigation labor and employment tasks. On the Lexis AI homepage, access Practical Guidance. Practical Guidance is the ideal starting point for any labor and employment assignment. It provides access to attorney-authored resources, including practice notes, checklists, videos, annotated templates, and more. Let's say that you have been tasked with drafting a social media policy for an employer. To find guidance on this task, either enter a search in the search bar or access the Labor and Employment module. Within the module, conduct a search at the top of the page or browse Labor and Employment Topics and Tasks. The list of topics and tasks represents the typical work conducted by labor and employment attorneys. Select the topic Privacy, Technology, and Social Media. Here, you can access practice notes, templates, clauses, and checklists to help you complete the social media policy assignment. Practice notes will help you get up to speed quickly on a particular topic or task. For example, view Social Media Policies Key Drafting Tips. This document would provide helpful background information and insight on the process of drafting a social media policy. Throughout the document, find links to other practical guidance documents related to this topic, including the Social Media in the Workplace Resource Kit. Resource kits pull together all practical guidance content for a particular topic or task, so they provide comprehensive guidance and resources to give you confidence you have all the information you need. This resource kit includes practice notes, state law surveys, checklists, templates, and clauses for social media policies. The menu at the top of the document provides quick and easy access to broad topics within the resource kit. Quickly jump to the section covering social media policies. Here, find a template entitled Social Media Policy. Use this template to quickly and efficiently draft the policy and complete your assigned task. Templates within Practical Guidance include a summary with the scope and purpose of the document, along with drafting notes and optional clauses to help you complete your draft. You can open this social media policy directly in Word to continue editing and modifying the draft. In addition to the helpful resources found within Practical Guidance, leverage the power of Legal Gen AI on Protege to complete labor and employment tasks. Use Ask to find quick answers to research questions simply by entering a prompt, such as, can an employer in California legally discipline or terminate an employee for a social media post made outside of work hours and off company premises? Protege will search through the Lexis AI database of cases, statutes, rules, constitutions, agency decisions, treatises, and practical guidance materials, then generate a response with inline linked citations so that you can easily verify the response. Clicking a link will open the full text of the document within the Lexis AI research system. Enter additional prompts to refine the results, such as find cases on this topic where an employee signed a social media policy for their employer. A new response will generate, then, beneath the response, find links to view related material to begin expanding your research on this topic. Now that you have a good understanding of the case law on this topic, click New Conversation to begin to draft the social media policy. Protege saves you hours of time by helping you generate customized, practice-ready transactional and litigation documents simply by entering a prompt. For example, draft a social media policy for a California-based employer. Protege will analyze this prompt, search primary and secondary authority, including the Practical Guidance collection on Lexis AI, then generate the policy. As you can see, Protege can save you hours of time in researching and drafting tasks, delivering customized legal documents in minutes. By utilizing the vast array of tools and content on Lexis AI, you can now efficiently get the insights and information you need to support your labor and employment practice. If you want to learn more or need research assistance, please reach out to your LexisNexis team.